Hello, my name is Allison Colville, and I'm going to be showing you the notebooks I have made with OneNote. So the main notebook that I have is under my Purdue account, and I have made two notebooks from that. One is for my undergraduate research, and I have a lot of notes in there. These are all animals that I'm doing research on. The other is for my theme, so I've made 5 little folder thingies for this. Visuals I could use. For that, I included this picture that I found from Flickr, and if you copy and paste, it gives you the link, and this video that I found from YouTube. I also have a folder for general ideas, where I could put just ideas I have, good websites for reference if I find them, benefits of wilderness experiences, just for me to look back on if I ever need to look on those when I'm writing a blog post, and scholarly articles. And how I inserted this is when you click on a new page, you can insert a PDF, and I downloaded this as a PDF. And now that I've done that, I can take my pen and just edit right on top of it. I might think that this is important, so I'll draw a star, or like this could be important, so I underline it and write "come back." And that is basically how I stay organized and how I create my notebooks.